Shibarium is trending and Shibarium documents are already out. A lot of people are already wondering how many Shiba Inu coins can the Shibarium blockchain burn. And this is very important for Shiba Inu holders because this is very important for future price projections for the Shiba Inu coin. If you come over to this document, you can see where it says burns here. You can read all the stuff here, and you might also want to go to the section where it talks about cost, and you're gonna see that here. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see where it says something about cost here. Okay, so let's do some brief mathematical calculations to project how many Shiba Inu coins this can burn. Okay, so according to the document, transactions on Shibarium will be around a cent, that is $0.01. So let's make some assumptions here. You are free to choose any percentages you want. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be choosing 50%. Okay, so let's say 50% is allocated for base fee. What is base fee? Base fee is the minimum amount of money you need to pay for your transaction to be executed on Shibarium. So this means that 50% times 1 cent, which is what we have here, 0.5 times 1 cent is going to give us $0.005. Okay, we have a cent. Okay, so this pretty much here is the amount of money we are assuming is going to be allocated for base fee, right? Okay, according to the document, 70% of this amount here, the base fee, if you read the document, you're gonna see it, that 70% of the base fee is for burning Shib. The remaining 30%, according to the document, is going to be for paying block providers. Okay, so let's forget about that part. We're more interested in the burning process. Okay, so 70% of this amount is gonna be used for burning Shib. Okay, so that means 0.7 times 0.005, that is this amount here. Okay, so this is gonna give us this amount, which is 0.0035 per transaction. Okay, so which means that per transaction you're gonna be paying this amount for the base fee. Okay, also according to the document, if this amount right here accumulates to $25,000, then the burning process is going to be triggered. Okay, so all we need to do now is to find how many transactions is in $25,000. Okay, so if we use this amount here to divide $25,000, which is what I've done here, that means that the Shibarium blockchain is going to be processing about this amount of transactions. And if it gets as large as the Ethereum blockchain, which processes about 1.077 million transactions in a day, which means that this right here is what is going to be processed in a week. So which means that $25,000 is going to be burned in a week. So if $25,000 is burnt in a week, that means 52 weeks in a year. That means about $1.3 million is going to be burned in a year. Okay, and if we go by the current price of the Shib token, okay, if we divide $1.3 million by $0.00001 per Shib token, that means that this amount of Shib tokens will be taken out of circulation every year. Okay, and if this is burned every year, remember the total circulating supply of the Shiba Inu token. Okay, whichever number you want to agree with. There was a time this was an issue. Okay, so if you go with 589, 550, 590 trillion tokens, whichever number you want to go by, divide that by 130 billion Shib tokens, that's going to give you something around these figures here, around 4,000 years before we completely burn all Shib tokens in circulation. Okay, and that's on the assumption that 50% of this amount of money here is allocated for the base fee. Okay, so this is it for this video. This is Big Zell Bees and is your guy Ken signing off.